Good morning. Today is Monday, April 27th, 2026. I'm here at Mandarin Holiday Marina, and this is the water line video for Sunseeker. Because we cleaned it, and it is starting to get warmer, we are trying to educate our customers a little better on how bad the water line is going to get because of all the warm weather. So mainly on your sunny facing side, which is going to be your port side, you're definitely going to see more of the growth quicker than you will be on your starboard side. But I am going to show you the whole boat. I expect that you're definitely going to be able to see a change between a week to 2 weeks. So let's go ahead and check it out now. DS dive.